Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero, and today we have another update video on the Nuls ecosystem. I can already tell you that a lot of important things have happened from August to the end of September. Let's start by talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum being added as gas fees on the Nuls mainnet. During August, we had several posts about the tests that were being carried out on this feature on the testnet. However, in September the mainnet 2.2 was launched, which included this new feature on the main network. This means that Nuls users can now use Bitcoin and Ethereum to pay network fees. Besides that, the Nuls mainnet 2.2 also brought improvements regarding cross-chain operations, optimizing the use of servers. For those who were following social media, there was also a giveaway from the partnership between Nuls and Swiss blockchain. There were also new developments in Nuls Ecosystem Ignition Initiative, which is basically an initiative to support and develop projects within the Nuls ecosystem. Additionally, the Nuls Oracle project started, being the first project to participate in this program. There was also the launch of a website called dplanet.io, aimed at managing the community with ideas and initiatives that can emerge within the ecosystem. There were also new partnerships, this time with NFTs2Me, a platform that brings a set of tools for creating NFTs, integrated into the eNuls blockchain, which is an EVM-compatible parachain of Nuls. At the end of August, there was a big update regarding the Nuls market, specifically because it was listed on several futures exchanges. On this list, you'll find big names like Gate.io, Mext, Blofin, Lbank, BitGet, Bybit, Bitmart, and Binance too. In fact, during the first 24 hours of trading on Binance, Nuls reached a trading volume of $180 million. Perhaps due to this movement, Nuls attracted a lot of attention and was ranked among the top 4 most searched coins on CoinGecko on September 2nd. Guys, there was also a partnership with Alpaca Money, a hub of assets connecting blockchains to the TON blockchain. Interestingly, Alpaca Money also partnered with Nabox Wallet. But hang in there because I'll talk more about this soon, so don't leave this video, as there's even an airdrop involved. During this month, Nuls also completed 7 years of operation. Yes, this blockchain has been in the market for quite a while. To celebrate this, a series of posts summarizing everything that was built each year was made, showing a bit of the journey Nuls has taken. At the end of all this, it was announced that the next chapter is coming, meaning a new Nuls is on the way with a new website and lots of innovation. There was also the announcement of a partnership with TipTag, a platform for creating meme coins. In this announcement, a prize of up to 5,000 Nuls for 50 different creators was mentioned. That is, for people who use this tool to create meme coins using the eNuls blockchain. Binance, the world's largest exchange, also brought an important trading event for Nuls. After all, the total prize was $90,000, 115,000 Nuls, with various ways to participate. This is a campaign to encourage trading on the Binance futures market, bringing rewards both for new users and experienced traders. For those users who like to stake Nuls and receive tokens from other projects in return, there were also several updates, like tokens from the Web3 Gold project, Rate, Traf, and even from Nuls Oracle were integrated into Nuls SCO. But now talking a bit about Nabox Wallet, there were also some updates. The first was the integration of Bitcoin Cash into the Nabox Wallet app. The second update, which I liked a lot, was the announcement that Solana blockchain assets will soon be integrated into Swapbox, meaning you'll be able to swap assets on the Solana blockchain for assets on other blockchains. Lastly, the partnership between Nabox and Alpaca Money was announced, bringing an airdrop of up to 10 billion Nabox tokens. There's already a video on the channel explaining how you can participate in this airdrop. Yes, it's a free airdrop that you can score through Telegram. On the other hand, the Nerve network listed the ORA token with the Nuls pair. For those who don't know, ORA is the token for Nuls Oracle, the first project to enter the Nuls Ecosystem Ignition Initiative. This listing basically allows us to trade ORA tokens for Nuls. Finally, we have updates from Swiss blockchain. Personally, I believe this can be one of the big projects in the Nuls ecosystem. For those unfamiliar, SwissPad is a launchpad that supports the creation of new tokens. But the great differential of this project is that it is in full compliance with Swiss laws. The first token to be launched will be its own token called Swiss. We don't have more updates on this project yet, but they informed that they've noticed the market's positive sentiment, and the pre-sale of their token will happen soon. For those who follow this channel, you know I've already made a video about this project, explaining everything about it and showing how you could participate in the airdrop and also get a spot on the whitelist. In other words, an opportunity to buy during the pre-sale. But don't worry, we'll probably have more updates soon that I'll bring to you on this channel. Well, today I tried to bring you an update video in a more dynamic way, just so you know everything that's happening in the Nuls ecosystem. So if you liked this video, and if it helped you stay updated on this ecosystem, don't forget to leave a like below. It's 100% free. That way, you help me a lot on this channel. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe below and activate the bell, so you'll make sure you won't miss the upcoming content I'll bring you. I'm wrapping up here now. Thank you very much for your audience, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.